destined to be together. But then along came Wolfy, the big bad wolf with a sneaky plan. He wanted Sheepy all to himself, so he set out to tear them apart. With jealousy in his heart, he tried to deceive Sheepy to lure her away from Tyson. But Tyson was strong and determined. He fought for their love, refusing to let Wolfy win. He would do anything to protect Sheepy. As time went on, the love triangle grew more intense. Tyson and Wolfy clashed, each vying for Sheepy's affection. But Sheepy knew where her heart belonged, with Tyson, her true love. In the end, true love triumphed, as it always does. Tyson and Sheepy stayed together, stronger than ever. And as for Wolfy, well, he learned a valuable lesson about the power of love. So, in this tale of love and friendship, remember to always fight for what you believe in. Love knows no bounds and will always prevail.